we need your help. We've just met the most loveliest guy and the most loveliest family, and they own an organic farm here in Sri Lanka. You can come here, you can do a cooking class. It's amazing. You learn about everything, it's beautiful, and then you eat it at the end. And we want to get him as many bookings as possible because he's a really, really nice guy. So help us out. If you come to Sri Lanka, book this cooking class. We'll put it underneath. This isn't paid or sponsored or anything. We just really like it here and we love their family and we just want to see them do so well. They work really hard and they really, really deserve it.
Hello, Aibowan. Aibowan is Aibowan mean in Sri Lanka like a hello. Aibowan mean in your live long time. Yes. Thank you for coming. My name is Kumara. I am here do cooking class, but my cooking class big different. That's why we everything doing organic. Organic, my family work. My family, this is my family job, family business. Here living my 2 brothers, 2 sisters, all together, my parents. We all together work. That's why lot of work garden. Garden very difficult way for organic. For the we everything grow ourselves. We make spices, everything ourselves. My tea, oven herbal tea. We not use black tea. You see it everywhere has foods, but not healthy. Many people artificial, lot of chemical add for cooking, but we are never used like that. That's why very bad for body. We like to help healthily like for others. I like help others.
And how long have you been here?
I am lifetime my family.
Lifetime?
Yes, all the life my family.
So your father?
Yes, like that
here.
for the everyone.
Amazing.
You see it how do we make it?
Yeah.
Like that always we make.
Amazing.
Family.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much for the experience.
Thank you very much. That's a big help you are coming. Thank you very, very much. I am glad you are coming for that.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you.
Let's go cook, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, look at you. You're the big one?
Yes.
Thank you. What tea is it?
Couldn't tell you.
Oh, I love that cup.
Feel better already.
Coconut.
Ah.
No. More power.
Pretend that's my head.
No, I can't do it.
Like this, huh? Like this. Take it.
No, I can't. I'm just
Don't hit Daddy's hand. Just little one.
Yeah, it's easy,
Easy.
yeah.
Good shot. And again.
Nice.
Yeah.
well done,
One more.
nice.
Good job.
You want try? Okay.
Oh, stop.
I always chop my hand up.
You need your hand.
Yes, yeah. Ah, yes, very good. Yeah.
You want to try? Oh, you need a bit more.
Maybe, yes.
This bit?
Yes.
This side?
Yeah.
Yay! That's a cookie.
There you go.
Ja, wel laten zien dan, hè.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? What?
I like it.
You like
Yeah.
it?
No thanks. I'm gonna have one after. I'm gonna have one after.
Oh, you put it in your pocket for later.
Yes, and after, just peel a hand and put here.
Have a look.
Is it done?
Yeah, good job. Well done.
I can do the other one.
You're not going to get your hands dirty or
No, I'm just filming.
casually filming. This is my favourite bit of cooking. This is like the meditative part. It's full on stress when you're actually cooking with the heat and everything's about timing. This, you can just
Wow.
Like that.
Now let me have a
I could do one of these at home.
Now it's my time.
Oh yeah.
Oh. That's it.
Good job, Alex. Good job.
Looks like a little triangle.
Yeah.
Do you know what she's doing now, Nice?
Yeah.
What's she doing?
He's breaking it.
That's it.
Gonna try?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Yeah.
This is a wood chips. Wood chips.
Mummy,
This is
I
wood.
wanna
This
try
tree wood.
that.
1, 2, 3 wood.
Okay, so we're doing-
This tree 1, 2, 3 chips. Wood chips.
So sometimes when it burns away like this, it'll break, it'll crumble, and then they can just rebuild it. And what do you use to make this?
This one we use clay.
Just clay.
Clay bricks and clay we made.
This is amazing. I feel like this would be my ideal holiday, to just go out, get food, come back and cook in a hut. Perfect. Okay, so you hold it and you squeeze it over the bowl. Squeeze. Yeah, you see, feel the milk coming out? Squeeze, that's it.
My mag is alive now.
What are we doing now?
No idea. But
Can I take
she's
one?
asked me to help, so.
Yeah.
Yes, you can, mate. Yeah.
Ik weet het niet zo. Nee, iedereen kan.
Kurkuma, salt, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, mustard seed, fenugreek, cook with coconut oil. After coconut oil, mix few minutes. After add coconut milk. After waiting until come to soft.
So I haven't cooked for about, how long now? About 6 weeks. Feels good to be back in the kitchen. You alright? Struggling there?
Stream it with this one.
Nice and natural with the old coconuts.
Nice found a helper.
Look at all these ingredients here that they put in their curry. Most people at home just put a jar of something. Look at all that, fresh, homegrown, organic, no pesticides. That's unbelievable.
Job as well, or do you have? Yeah, another job. We do have another job as well. You've got another job. I have an eyebrow clinic. Okay, you can do it.
Amazing.
I can sit down there.
Oh, what do we have here? The special sauce.
Sugar and flour.
Fenugreek. Fenugreek. You know fenugreek?
this?
Fenugreek.
Do you want them to listen as well?
Maybe they want to
Oh,
come.
je wil.
Yes,
Hij wil iets uitleggen.
you want, you can join here.
Yeah, but my hands are the...
Wij luisteren dan.
First, coconut oil, after mustard seed and fenugreek. Okay? After add curry leaves. Curry leaves. Someone can join here, mix it. Curry leaves. You keep mixing all the time. After add onion. Onion. Tomato. After add garlic. අර්ධ කරන්න තියෙනවා. First coconut oil, after mustard seed and fenugreek. Sorry, yeah.
Very hot.
Someone can join here. You are hot, you can change. Okay. Just faster, fast mixing.
It's heel warm.
And after this all add here.
yes,
You keep
filmen.
mixing, you keep mixing. Quick. Coconut milk එක වන්න. Now add coconut milk. Now add coconut milk.
Next one.
Have to switch batteries on.
Excuse me. Now cooking pumpkin curry.
Can I stop?
Yes, leave. Now cooking pumpkin curry, yes. Ingredients: onion, cinnamon cardamom cloves, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, black pepper, salt, kurkuma and curry powder. Cook with coconut milk.
Is that like boil after blend? This one like this.
Pancake.
Coconut roti. Nice. You can do one of these, mate. So you pat it
Yeah.
and you make it flat like a pancake.
You know, like you do with your play doh.
Yeah.
After I'm done, we need to go there.
Is that it?
That's it. Little bit more.
Wel met deze dingen.
Nou is het done.
Maar dit is wel anders toch?
Dit is wat we vanochtend bij het ontbijt zagen.
Ja, zo'n
Oké?
Ja,
Is dat?
ja. Hopper of zo. Dit is echt iets heel...
Dit is iets anders hoor.
Ja, je hebt hoppers en stringhoppers.
Yes, it's steam hopper.
Stringhopper is van
Yes, someone try.
That's right, you got to squeeze them together.
Squeeze. Squeeze. Yeah.
Good job. Okay, now.
Curry powder, chili, kurkuma, salt, cinnamon, mustard seed, fenugreek, cook with coconut oil. After add little bit water. Okay? Later I send you all the recipes your WhatsApp. Okay? Recipe book I give you later your WhatsApp.
Thank you. It should be steamed.
Okay.
This one. Baby, chop it. It's later, isn't it?
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
There you go. What'd you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now add everything. You keep
Everything?
Yes.
I keep mixing.
Moet ik het overnemen?
Wait.
Oh, oké.
Oh,
Nou, wel iets van mij hè?
yeah.
Onion, tomato, chili flakes and salt. Crush and after add coconut and lime.
This goes in there as well.
Yes.
That's what we had.
First this is crushed.
Okay.
This is fresh coconut.
Oh. The one we grinded out.
Yes.
You looking?
Even naar bot zeg. Bot gewoon in.
Rollen op.
Zo probeer.
Nou, ik dacht, wow, hebben ze een nieuwe kleur. Dan werkt hetzelfde.
Like a. This is just amazing. Can you imagine how healthy these people must be? He even has his own water line that comes from 15 meters underneath the earth, so it's full of minerals.
keer zeggen, joh, weet je, we hebben er nu 3 gezien. Dat is ook prima. Het is allemaal goed as. En het is allemaal, ja. Je bent zoveel vuurbaar daar. Ja, nou ja.
Mommy, what are you doing?
Ja? Het hotel waar we nu vanavond slapen, nou dat wordt wat. Maar goed, echt zo'n
Hagedisjes, kikkers, mieren, vormen.
Ja, dat vind ik allemaal niet zo. Maar we hadden gisteren wel iets van, laten we nu maar kijken wat is hier en toen kregen we echt voor heel weinig. En dat vind ik gewoon echt lachen.
Nou ja. Dus €2 of zo met z'n tweeën.
Ja, oh ja, nou, je hebt het niet
Keep going.
Yes, good,
Good job.
Nice.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Ja, wij hebben er ook twee.
Well done, mate.
nu in die ene hoek is er weer wat woorden aan Sigiriya.
Good job.
Mag niet je handen wassen.
Harihan kaya
That's for the man. So much rice.
I just tasted it. It was so good, does it, Mummy?
Is it so good?
Yeah.
How were the poppadoms you made? Nice?
Yeah. And you can pat my twist.
How is it?
Really fresh. That was really good.
Oh, look at the fingers.
Okay, this space you see all the place has plate had space. This is space for this side. And after right hand, take all the vegetables. This is space, little bit here. Papadam also little bit crush, mix with rice. All together mix. All the vegetable little bit take here, mix with rice. After take like this fingers push mouth. Like that. Push mouth.
Eating with the hands.
Yes.
Make a poke bowl, mix everything.
And string hopper you can eat dal curry and coconut sambal, also crush and mix it. Coconut roti you can eat lunu miris, dal curry and coconut sambal. Yes.
They just use it as the plate.
You knew how to do that, didn't you?
Someone's been to India twice.
Get it all mixed up.
They put it all on the side, but I'm just going to eat the whole lot, so I'll mix it all. Poppadom. It wasn't that long ago when we knew about the poppadom, was it?
Yeah.
So you actually crush a poppadom up.
Yeah.
In the UK, we just shovel it on the poppadom and
Yeah.
use that as a...
Oi, give me a dough.
How is it, Nai?
Good, good, good.
It's good?
En dan moet je de bolletjes van maken.
What's your favourite bit?
Hier is het. Ik moet nu aan jou denken.
Oh, look at this. That is good.
heel lekker.
He's got it down. What's your favourite bit of it?
Can't say.
It's
all
all
mixed
mixed.
Very good.
These are insane.
Lekker?
So good.